'pag iba po yung nakakarinig sa kanya, ganyan po. Kasi minsan po 'pag nakatalikod po ako may kinukuwento rin po siya tungkol sa akin sa ibang tao.
Welcome to my show. It's called NSFW, as in not safe for work, because even though your kwento are not safe for work, it's safe with me here. I got you covered. We will keep you anonymous if you want to. Kung hindi, then why not? You know what? I pray for the day. I pray for the time that a caller will come in. Come in. Gusto mo yun? Well, a caller will call in and then they're gonna tell them the real name, the real company, the real tea. Yung wala na siyang, nothing to hold back anymore. But until then, you know what, if you want to be anonymous and again, you want this to be a safe space, then I got you covered. So we've got our caller for today for this episode. I wonder what their cuento is. So let's check it out. Hi there. Hello.
Hello, DJ Shai.
Hi there. What's your name? Tony!
Um, my name is Kiara po.
Is that your real name?
Um,
Hindi.
Hulaan niyo na lang po.
Sige, okay na. So, Kara. Kara, hi, Kara. How young are you, if you don't
Hello
mind? If
po.
that's okay to share.
Sorry po?
How young are you?
20.
20. Okay, you're 20. Kara is 20 and you are currently in the workforce and you currently have a
Yes
reklamo
po.
about someone in your office.
Yes.
Okay, now my next question is, are you asking for a solution or you're just asking to rant? Para alam ko na kung ano maging vibe ko today.
Actually, parehas po eh. Rant and solution.
Okay, sige. So, let's start with the rant. What's your kwento, Kara?
So, paano ko ba start? Ano po kami? Actually, friend po kami for 3 years.
Itong isang
And
office.
laging magkasama po kami sa work.
Okay, okay.
Yan po. So, hindi naman po siya bago. Sobrang unang year pa lang po ng friendship namin, napapansin ko na po yung ugali niya.
Which is?
Na pa-victim po.
Pa-victim! I love that. Okay. In what sense? Sige. Tuloy mo yung kwento mo. Okay. Mamaya na ako.
Ayun po. Parang every time po na siya yung may kasalanan naman, siya naman talaga may kasalanan, kinukwento niya po sa ibang tao na siya po yung victim lagi. Na siya po yung kawawa, parang ganun po.
Tapos?
And then, parang, lagi ko po siyang sinasabihan about dun eh. Kaso,
in fairness,
parang
na talaga
di po siya
sinasabi mo?
nagbabago.
Like, how do you tell
Sinasabi
them?
ko po sa kanya. Sinasabi ko po sa kanya na na hindi po maganda yung ganong pag-uugali kasi pag iba po yung nakakarinig sa kanya, ganyan po. Kasi minsan po, pag nakatalikod po ako, may kinukwento rin po siya tungkol sa akin, sa ibang tao. Or sa mga kasama namin sa work, ganun po. So, ayun po. And hindi po siya nagbabago. So, ang tanong ko lang po, gusto ko na po siyang actually parang maglaylo po sa friendship namin. Kaso parang lagi po kasi siyang lumalapit sa akin. So parang hindi ko naman po siya malayuan, ganyan. Kasi parang wala rin pong pumapansin sa kanya, naaawa rin po ako, ganun po. So ayun po, hindi ko na po alam kung ano pong gagawin ko.
Grabe yung rant mo, ha? Ramdam na ramdam ko yung rage mo.
Ilang years ko. So, ayun po.
Oo nga, ramdam ko yung galit mo, Kara. As in, like, super, it's seething through the microphone, through the earphones. It's like, wow, ramdam namin na init
po.
talaga. Oh, like,
Yes
po,
po,
DJ
sobra
Shai. So,
po.
kasi ganito po siya eh. Pa-victim po.
May time pa po kasi na yung mga story na po na dapat sa amin lang, kinakwento niya pa po sa ibang tao. And pag kinonfront ko po siya about doon is magdadahilan po siya na yes po, ganun po.
Parang there really is one in every office, no? Hindi talaga kompleto ang collection ng office mates mo pag walang ganun.
Totoo po.
And if you think na walang ganun sa office mates mo, if you think na non-toxic, green flag lahat kayo sa office, no, it's you. You're the problem. Akala mo, oh, talaga guys, no, walang toxic sa atin. No, in fairness, no, kala mo lang, ikaw yung toxic doon. But in this case, it's your office mate. Na friend, paano, friend mo siya even before work? Tama ba?
Yes po,
Oo. Okay naman siya dati.
friend ko na po siya. Hindi po eh. First year pa lang po ng friendship namin, parang ganun na po talaga yung ugali niya.
You know what, Kara? I blame you. Ang
Ah,
tagal nyo
ano
ng,
po?
ang naman pala, tagal nyo ng friends, tapos tinuloy-tuloy mo pa to, tapos hanggang sa work, ganun pa rin siya, naging friend mo pa rin, sabi ko sa'yo you're the
I,
problem eh.
I was hoping po kasi na magbabago siya. Kaso parang
Aha.
napuno na po ako this time kasi parang sobra na po.
Walang nagre-reprimand sa kanya? Walang yung parang, nobody tells them off, your boss, manager, supervisor, guard,
Mm,
gano'n. Security guard. Hoy te,
parang
alam mo yung
wala
ginagawa mo?
po.
Ano?
Parang wala po kasi actually yung mga sinasabihan niya po is may sinasabi rin po sa kanya, parang ganun po. So, ayun po.
Pero you're not the only one who notices that naman siguro. Kasi
Yes,
I
opo.
assume you know a lot because you're one of their core friends. Pero what about the others na binabackstab niya rin? Like, wala ba silang napapansin sa kanya?
Actually, madami nga po nakakapansin sa ugali niya.
Mm.
Kaya sobrang parang ako nga lang po yung nagtatagal talaga. So, ngayon po, gusto ko na po talaga na lumayo or
Mhm.
what. Kaso siya po yung lumalapit talaga sa akin. So, hindi ko po alam kung anong gagawin
Oh,
ko.
pati ando pa kasi yung awa factor mo eh. Kasi even though you're going to have the solution of what you could do to stay away from people like them, eh kung lagi ka naman naaawa sa kanya, kung laging pa sad boy, sad girl siya dun sa isang sulok tapos kumakain mag-isa, eh, sasamahan mo pa rin, eh di paano nga? 'Di ba?
Ayun nga po.
Mabait kang friend.
Yun pa,
Mabait ka bang friend?
sobra po.
Wow!
Kaya
The
nga po natiis ko.
confidence!
Kaya po natiis ko po yung ilang years.
The confidence! I love it! Sorry, let me
Kaya
just let this sink in for a while. Okay. Sinusulat ko dito. Okay, si Kara ay mabait na kaibigan. Okay. Okay. Okay, pero seriously though, the fact nga naman na you wanna drift apart a little bit only because you know that hindi naman siya nakikinig, they're doing a lot of
opo.
things wrong, namba-backstab, then pa-victim nga. Alam mo, siya na nga nakasagasa.
Yes
Tapos siya
po.
pa yung, kasi hindi ko, siya dumaan sa harapan ko eh. Parang ganon.
Yes, si siya ay ganun
Diba?
po.
Diba? So you're trying, if you are being truthful and telling me that you really did try your best, you did a lot of the effort and all that, and it's just smart that you drift away slowly. May ibang set of friends ka naman sa office.
Meron po. Meron
Meron
po akong
naman.
ibang friends. Opo.
Siya, may iba ba siyang friends sa office?
Siya po wala.
Aww, ikaw nga lang
ako
talaga.
po yung ako yung po yung talagang tatakbuhan niya talaga. Kaya nahihirapan po talaga ako na
Oo nga, friendly mo nga. Masyado naman. Ano ka, aso? Uy, I'm joking nga. Baka makagalit ka sa akin. Kinausap ka naman ng director namin kanina, di ba? Disclaimer ka na huwag mapikon sa show ko. Tsare.
okay lang po.
Thank you. I'm kidding. But I meant that as a compliment. Kasi nga, you're too kind eh. You can let go of the person. But because, again, once they're in that one corner of the office na kumakain mag-isa, tapos may background music, siya lang yung parang may rain cloud. Sumuulan dun. Ewan ko ba? Naawa ka. Tapos
Di ba
sinasamahan mo
po?
pa rin.
Yes po. Exactly.
Ayaw niya mag-resign.
Ganun nga po.
hindi mo siya
Ako
binigyan
po
ng
kasi
idea na
hindi po. Ako po kasi hindi pwede. Kaya
Ay,
tanong ko po siya.
gets ko ikaw. Eh, pero siya, baka naman gusto mong mag-suggest sa kanya, uy, may nakita akong maganda yung, may hiring dun sa kabila, tapos ganda ng sahod. Sayang, di ako qualified, pero feel ko ikaw qualified, bagay sa'yo to. Nga ganun, hindi mo pwedeng ganun yun. Doon ka
Parang
na.
kasi
Hindi.
ako lang po yung friend niya. Kaya baka ayaw niya po akong iwan talaga. Ako na po talaga yung mag-iiwan pag
Hindi, gawa mo ng paraan. Again to, maghanap ka na ng hiring, i-print mo na resume. Ikaw nagmumuha lahat. Ikaw na rin magpa-NBI clearance sa kanya. Ikaw na magpa-medical para sa kanya. Kompleto na lahat. Para submit na lang
Ako
siya.
lang po gagawa ng paraan.
Gawin mo ng paraan. Diyos ko, magaling ka. You're a good friend. I- I'm I'm not helping. I know, Kara, I'm sorry, I'm not helping. No, but in all seriousness, though, again, I commend you for being a friend, but it's
Thank
difficult.
po.
It's not healthy for you to have to maintain that kind of relationship nang alam mo namang
Ayun
talaga
nga
toxic
po.
na. Pero talagang ayaw mo na. Like, you're okay if
Sobrang
friendship over
draining
na.
na po eh. Opo,
Ah.
sobrang draining na po kasi na parang imbes po na araw-araw nag-work lang po ako, parang nagbabantay po ako ng
Oh, naging yaya ka
gano'n
pa.
po. Yes po.
It's not that it's what I'm about to say is not really a solution that I know has worked because it's a perfect science. It's an exact science. Hindi siya ganun na. But let me just say that if you just keep rejecting them when they say like, uy, tara, kain tayo. Uy, tara, dun tayo. Sabi mo lang, hindi, wala muna, wag muna, busy ako, ganun-ganun. Or dito muna ako sa iba, ganun-ganun. You know, you keep making up
Opo.
excuses. At kung matalino siya, magigets niya. They will
Opo.
pick up on the social cues kung matalino siya. Kung bobo siya,
Yes
edi
po.
friend mo pa rin. Hindi mo siya malalet go. Parang ganun. That
Hindi
is
ko siya let go.
that is the one idea I could think of in order for you to let a person down slowly. It works with friendships. It works with breakups. You know, na you're slowly just
Yes.
saying no and no and no to their invite. And eventually, they're
Yeah.
gonna get the idea that you don't want to hang out with them. And sila na kusa let go sa'yo. Because
Lalayo.
ako na iniwala
Yeah.
ko, hindi mo kayang sabihin, I don't want to hang out with you. You know what?
Opo, exactly.
We're
Hindi po
not
talaga.
vibing. Diba? Hindi mo naman kaya yun, diba? I
Opo.
don't think any of us can. Kaya mo? Wait, I'm asking other people. Kaya mo? Kaya, hindi mo kaya, no? Hindi, yung isa dito, mananahimik lang yan. He's just gonna be quiet and then people are gonna be awkward with him na, sige, alis na lang ako. What if ganun na gagawin mo? Literal, hindi mo siya papansinin. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You're just gonna be so quiet lang. Like, wait, tara, kain tayo. Silent treatment
po
lang.
pala.
Tatampo yarn.
Ayun
No,
nga
but
po.
yeah, that's the only thing I could think of at the moment. Because again, even though the right and smart thing for me to say is no, you confront them properly, tell them that you don't want to be friends with them anymore, blah blah blah. That's the sane advice. But again, I know that none of us, or so many of us, cannot just do that. Cannot just let go or be that frank with people. We have a limit to how frank we can be with people. Eh, sino ba si Frank na yan? But there is always going to be a limit, and I understand if you can't do that, and that's why you just do the slowly letting go kind of
Yes po.
gimmick, ganon. Kaya mo ba yun?
Opo. Slowly, siguro po kaya naman.
You can say
Hindi ko
no to
lang po
them.
natatry pa.
You can say no kapag mag-aaya-aya sila.
Slowly po.
Kaya mo, kapag ano ba,
Siguro
kapag
kaya ko
sasabihin niya ba
naman
na
po.
ano, di
Pero,
ba? Hindi, sample tayo. Sample tayo. Uy, Kara, tara, dun tayo, lunch tayo, tara, dun tayo.
busy ako eh.
Hindi, sige na, tara na, libre kita.
Hindi, okay lang. Dito lang ako.
Yes, hindi mo mayag sa libre, yes. Kung ako kasi yan, nag-uuna ako kanina pa. I'm gonna tell myself, you know what? Next time na lang. I'm gonna say no next time. Yes, sige nga. Well, again, I know that's just a stupid trial period thingamajig, rehearsal kumbaga, but I really do hope magagawa mo. Oo. Ano ka ba?
Opo.
Inverter ka ba?
Yes po, inverter.
I appreciate na nag-agree ka lang. Inverter ka, no? Mukha, you sound like an
Yes po,
inverter rin eh, na introvert for those who can pick up. Sorry, introvert po yung sinasabi ko. Yan, mukha ngang inverter ka based on how you sound. And yun nga yung awkwardness mo na you can't easily just say no, you can't just let go, ganon.
Yes.
You can't stand your ground. And actually, even for extroverts naman, may ganon rin naman talaga eh. But I understand your predicament, and it's not easy to just dump a person, lalo na they're so dependent on you. Diba?
Yes.
And yun rin,
Opo.
maybe what one thing you could also do is to just redirect them. Like, you're gonna sabihin nyo, tara, kain tayo ng lunch dun sa kanto. Hindi mo na ako kakain. Eh, parang si ganito, si Dayan kakain daw. Dun ka na lang muna, samahan ka na lang ni Dayan. Parang ganun. Ay, pinasa sa iba. Bahala ka, Dayan. Something like that,
Tapos
diba?
na ako.
Sorry, Dayan, ha? Pero ikaw na muna. Pagod na ako. Something
Ilang
like
years
that.
na yun eh.
Oo nga. You've been friends before. You've been friends for such a
Opo.
long time na, but
Opo.
tas naging workmates pa kayo. So parang Napaka-clingy niya naman sa'yo, no, in fairness sa kanya.
Ayun nga
Ano meron
po.
sa'yo?
Parang,
May
actually,
sasakyan
dati
ka,
ko
no?
pa nga po sinasabi sa kanya. Wala po.
Okay. Pero pati yun nga na you've been vocal about it naman pala. Pero
Opo,
pati
opo.
niya mag-gets. Pero as a worker naman, like okay, productivity-wise naman, nakagawa niya yung trabaho niya?
Nagagawa naman po niya,
Okay.
pero may onti-onting ano po siya, napapagalitan, ganyan po.
Okay. Pero wala naman siyang like big position, top position or anything?
Hindi naman po.
Ay, dapat
Hindi
lang.
naman.
Ay, Diyos ko po kung binigyan siya. But anyway. Ayun, that is thank you for the rant and I hope you appreciate my
Yes po.
solution if it really was a
Yes
proper
po.
solution. And I really
I'll
do
try to
wish.
do that po.
Oo, I really do wish magagawa mo yun. But thank you again for making
Opo.
kwento. And I hope that,
Thank
you
you
know, your
po.
workplace is going to be safer now after
Yes
this
po.
whole conversation. If not, edi at least nakagawa kami ng content. But you were still able to do something nice for someone. You're such a good friend, Cara. Thanks so much, Cara, for
Yes
calling.
po. Thank you so much po, DJ
All right,
Shai.
thanks. And don't forget
Thank
to
you.
follow mo na ako sa Facebook. Kailangan ko ng extra friends. Salamat.
Opo, ayun po. Sige po.
Thanks, Cara. We'll see
Thank
you.
you po. Thank
Bye.
you. Bye po.
And scene. Ay, naku. Ay, naku si Cara. But yeah, that is our story for today. I don't really have anything else to say. I've actually told her everything that I felt. And it's really just so surprising how, you know, how people can be so dense despite you being very frank with them already. Kaya, guys, marunong po tayo makiramdam, ha? Huwag po tayong manhid. That also goes to you guys in relationships. Baka naman, matuto ka rin makiramdam, ha? Yung jowa mo, napapagod na rin sa'yo. But we're not talking about Joe, we're talking about work. And again, thank you so much, Cara, for dropping by my phone. And hopefully for those who also want to share your own stories about workmates, bosses, clients, interns, whatever. Yeah, let me know by dropping by our Facebook page. That's Easy Rock Manila. Let us know if you have a story to share to us, and hopefully we can schedule you for a phone call for our next episode of NSFW, as in Not Safe for Work. Once again, my name is Shai, and I'll check in on you guys again later. I love you. Bye.
Easy Rock.
It's really amazing how, despite Filipino society's conservativeness with women's bodies, we all choose to name this pastry pandereta and panburikat, and this flower pukurena. Pukingan? I've never heard of the last one. Filipinos, we're just wow. Hey, thanks for watching.
For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.